All righty, this is session recap for the 9th day of November. This morning we were watching as we came down, trying to respect this channel to the downside. And then finally we did get the break here at the bottom right here. And right now you got a break and a hook. We're waiting to see if we get a go to the downside. MACD says you just got a zero line break. And the channel is down. We're a seller. All right. Why are we a seller? Because the chart tells us we're a seller, not because Scott said it. All right, we're going with dollar weakness. Dollar weakness means euro to the upside, and it's trying to push up. As you can see, we got a break, a hook above this line and back down. If we get a bounce, the target is up here at 107.56, holding for 107.65 up there, and the ATR on the euro dollar is 76 pips. All right, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. We've wanted this all day today and nothing happened. It just went nowhere. There's no trade here. And even if there was, there's not enough room up here. And we'll hold for 23.50 up there with pound dollar having an ATR of 92 pips. Over to dollar Swissy. Get a good sense of what the dollar is trying to do because the Swiss franc is pegged to the dollar. I'll put that back on right there. So you got a breakout here, white dot on top. Do I trade that because of that? No. Target is down here. We'll hold for 89.53. ATR on dollar Swissy is 55 pips. So you know you don't have 55 pips because you have it from up here. So there's no trade on it. Yeah, but there's a wide open space, but it's not 55 pips, so walk away. All right, dollar yen, all right, making the turn, came out of the rising wedge. We got a hook back up here. Notice they're doing an A, B, C because they didn't find enough sellers. All right, so that was the risk of taking the close in reverse was the C wave. Okay, well, that's not a bad risk. Why? Because the A wave and the C wave are usually the same. So that's the A wave. That'll be the B wave. So it's not much difference. All right, all right. Watch for the turn, and we're coming down to 150.25. And dollar yen has a 95 pip ATR. Aussie dollar should be trying to go up. It is. All right, with dollar going down, there we got a break and a hook. Watch for the bounce. Target is up there at 64.56, holding for 64.66, then 83 up there where the 382 is. All right, Aussie dollar has an ATR of 64 pips. Euro yen, woo, man, nice little trade here if we can get it. And it's too late in the day. Wait for the Asian market now. And mess that up. There we go. So break up in here. Nice little trade up there. Looking for 162.64. Euro yen has 110 pip ATR. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen is waffling a little bit. We have it to the upside. We finally did break again. We got a break here. Trade one is here and trade two is here. Not till tonight because it's not going to move until the Asian market. We got a target at 186.52 up there, and pound yen has an ATR of 139 pips. New Zealand dollar, all right, almost a target right now, just shy of it a little bit here, and should hit that by day end. And target is 59.64. You're going to hold for 59.79 if you're in it. And New Zealand dollar has a 56 pip ATR, barely able to even trade it. All right. Aussie yen, we don't have enough room here, but it is trying to move. Target is 57.50. We're going to hold for the 1,000 up here. If we get this after 5 o'clock, hold for the 1,000 up there and wherever the ATR is. All right. So Aussie yen ATR is 80 pips. All right. Euro can't trade the euro pound. No ATR on it. Same with the Aussie Swissy, by the way, and Aussie New Zealand. All right. So we got a break and a hook and a go to the downside on Euro Aussie. We were waiting for this morning. Now we're getting a pullback. That will give us an opportunity. The target is way down here at 65.86. Euro Aussie has an ATR of 136 pips. That's a nice opportunity, folks, there because you got three snowman. All right. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Our target is way down here at 89.64. This is a huge trade. We're currently doing a flag pattern, which is indicative of a continuation. All right, so they're trying to, however you got into the flag is how you're coming out of the flag. We came in like this, and we're coming out like this. So target's probably down here somewhere for the flag, and the ATR is down here. All right, Pound Aussie has an ATR of 148 pips. Euro New Zealand. All right, Euro New Zealand, almost a target right now, not much left here. Target is at 79.83 right there, and Euro New Zealand has an ATR of 139 pips. Pound New Zealand went right down to its ATR, no problem whatsoever, and stopped dead right there. All right, that's why we couldn't trade it. We didn't have 55 pips. But they went ahead and made the trade because their first position was here, their second was here. They just continued the position down to the target, but they knew exactly where the target was. All right, why? Because they do it every day. If they know it every day, I got to know it every day. 145 pip ATR. New Zealand yen trying to push up. It did, and finally it did hit target. We talked about this morning. We didn't have enough room, but most likely they're going to hit the target without any problem because it wasn't very far away. And New Zealand yen had a 72 pip ATR. Aussie Swissy and Aussie New Zealand, you can't trade because they don't have a big enough ATR right now. All right, so we were looking initially for this move to the upside, and now we're going to take that off, and we're going to go down to the downside here. And I mean, no, I'm going to get rid of this one. All right, we're going to put the fib on from the swing high to the swing low to the swing high. All right, there we go. There's the 1,000 right there. Got to find the ATR target. All right, so pound Swissy ATR is 73 pips. All right, 73 pips, and 1,600 candle is, let me find it here. Wow, I'm at a 10. Let me get up to a 60. Hold on. So 1,600, let me get rid of this. You see, overall, it's a downtrend. Pound Swissy, 73 pips, find the 5 o'clock candle right there, and we're putting a new high in. After that, we take the high, we go down for 73 pips and see if we even have an opportunity. There we go. Right on the 1270. Wow, that's pretty sweet. Let's see if we have 55 pips left. Go down to the target, go up for 55 pips. We don't have 55 pips left. All right, so it's no longer a trade this morning, but after 5 o'clock, you'll get a new ATR, which will be down in this area, and you'll be able to trade it. So what you want to do is put slope support across the bottom, get the breakout here, make sure you got 73 pips to the downside, and find where that target is and trade it to there. That's it. All right, no problem. It'll probably be down in this area, down in here. Trade 1 here, trade 2 here. All right, there we go. All right, any last minute